it was a hot mess. But now, oh yeah. I am getting my haircut. I think I'm gonna take care of this hair also. Probably gonna get some coloring, and because I feel like it's so colored, it's so different with my hair. So we're process of getting it done. Today's Monday, and my mom came to get a haircut. With my mom. So cute. Some layers now, and then get some coloring, and then we'll see the process. You guys, I am back in the house. So this is the final look of my hair. I absolutely love it. Let me just turn on more light in here. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks so pretty. And then the back, I have to show you the back. So I have to show you all the back. Hold on. I was afraid that my hair wouldn't come out really good, but I think it comes out really good. I think it gets balanced than before. Because before, when I do my hair normally, it just has different colors in the back. So it's literally, it was a hot mess. But now, oh yeah, it's so good. I'm loving it right now. So I am back in the house. I'm about to have lunch / kind of dinner early. So my mom made pasta, homemade pasta, and then she made this kind of meat stuffed stuffed with ground beef, and then veggies and stuff with olives. It's so yummy. So it's perfect. And then this is Moroccan salad. It's made with red peppers and eggplant, and then also caramelized, I believe caramelized onions. So it's in tomatoes. It's so good. Yeah. So about to have a lunch / dinner, and I am starving. I know, I'm obsessed with my hair. My mom loves it, and my mom looks so cute today with her haircut. So we kind of had like a date with the mother and daughter doing like a hair situation. So I am loving it. So she blow dry my hair, so but it's still like kind of, you know, the weather here is kind of like humid, but it's kind of raining right now, but you just feel that humidity though a little bit. So my hair, it doesn't stay still. But I feel like I am obsessed. As long as I get balanced out, That's all that matters. I am loving it. So cute. I will touch like some pictures that I take at the hair salon, but I'm loving it. Hey you guys, it is your Moroccan Barbie Queen back again with another vlog. If you guys are new here, welcome, thousands welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the click notification button so that way you can get notified every time I post a video. Today is Saturday. It is January, I believe the 25th of January. So I'm still here in Florida. So we're about to leave. Me and my mom, we're going to his store that he does his like art design, and then we're leaving right now. This is my mom getting ready. Say hi, Mom. Hi. And then this is the fit what I'm wearing today. I am wearing this fit from TGX. It's just pretty much like a workout because I'm gonna be helping my father, helping him with some stuff. I'm gonna share the entire process with you guys. And then my sunglasses Valentino. I'll just wear my hair like really nice and just up. My Coach jean jacket, my Gucci purse, my sneakers are Balenciaga, and then yeah, this is the fit. So what is that? So and then we're gonna go. So basically, this is my dad actually makes some stuff like that. This is like a handmade. So I'm gonna share the entire process with you guys when we go there, and then yeah. But this is so cool, so pretty. And then we're just leaving the house. I never gave you guys a tour about the house here in Florida, but I just want to share some stuff with you also that he did make. He made this. This is so cool, handmade. This is like his specialty. He makes the stuff is like a brass, and then it's designed. Look at the art design here. It's so cool. And he has like really cool stuff once we get there to the but I really love this picture because this is like an Egyptian picture, very old school. I love this pic. Very, very nice. And a lot of people actually love it. Yeah, so we are leaving. Also, he has like this kind of lights. It's like a Moroccan style that he made. So I am going to show you the entire thing that he does have. And then once we get to this, arrive to the store. So I'm going to grab my phone. And then we are leaving right now. This is my dad. Say hi.
Hi, how are you?
By the way, you guys, I love this tree. Look, this is like, so this is our house right there in Florida here, and this is the tree. This tree, it's freaking amazing. Look how beautiful that tree, how big that is. Insane. I never get a chance to actually like just do like a, probably gonna do like some walking tomorrow morning, just to show you the area a little bit. But I really love this tree because it's so calming. When I used to live here, I used to come here to my mom's house and just like relax here and then do some walking over here by the tree. It's so tall, like insane. Look how huge. But yeah, so we're going on the way right now to the store. So I'll see you guys when I get there. See ya. And what is a day to start your day without a coffee? So we are here at the Super Target J and near Boca Raton area. So we're gonna go grab a coffee really quick, and then we're gonna start the day to go to my dad's store so we can help him organize some stuff of his art that he does design. I'm so excited to show you guys that. And then let's just get the coffee. Hello, it's so cute. I love this cherry. Oh my gosh, and these. It's so cute. Look at that. It's with the bow. Okay. They're so cute. They're so cute. Look at that. Stop. Hold the tin with a bow. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love Cartier. Like, I am a huge fan. Love it. So we are here, just made it at my dad's store. That's where he does all his artwork, artistic work. And I've been working so much, and right now it is 6:30, almost like 6:30 in the evening, and I am so tired, but we did a lot of work. So let me just show y'all. This is his, pretty much, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. This is his kind of work that he does. He designs this stuff. It's very pretty. It started getting dark right now, but absolutely looks. This is all the design that he does, like this handmade. It's so perfect. I love this kind of work. Look at that. So pretty much I just organized everything for him. Let me just get the camera function right now. I just did pretty much I direct everything pretty much, just to put everything on the side and stuff, but we had some help with my dad and then another friend. So he has like his mini fridge here, kind of microwave, and then we just did this art pictures in the back. And then all of this stuff, it's basically handmade, created. It's from Fez. That's where my dad is from originally, and he does all this work. I'm so proud of him. So beautiful. Look at this chandelier. This one, it's like, oh, I love it. This is so pretty. This is the Moroccan teapot that we normally make the Moroccan tea here, and we have like gold, silver. So he's gonna have his website very soon. I will link all the details once he has his website up and running. And if you guys wanted to order anything from him to make it for you guys, and he make this, all this handmade, all this stuff laid up. But right now we are not letting it up. But he made all of that. Look at that. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. So it looks like an antique store, and this is, I put his desk here, and then like a little chair there. So pretty, very nice. What about that? This is so nice. Like you put, basically when somebody comes to your home, you will have to do, it's like to treat them very well traditional Moroccan way, you will make like nice warm water, and then you bring it to these people, like, and they invite them for dinner or lunch. They have invited to your home, and then they wash their hands right at the table. So this is very traditional Moroccan. So it's just, also you can put it for decoration. It's very, very pretty. So yeah, this is pretty much when he does all his work here. He creates stuff. He designs things here first, and then he make the magic happen. He has all this kind of things that he works on with. But yeah, Dad, you want to say hi?
Hello.
We did a good job, right? Come here to the light.
Yeah.
So this is my dad. I will link all these details for him so you can guys follow him on his website once we have the website ready. But I'm so proud of him, and we're so proud today. We did a lot of work together, so it's so nice to get together with my dad and help him make this magic happen. So nice. Love it. So it's time for us to go eat right now at the restaurant. I am starving. But yeah, we did a major work. See you guys.
I'm just a chill guy.